Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on FP markets. And we can simply do this by just clicking here on new order, select right here the volume that you want to step in with. So that means with how much money you want to create that order with. Then right here, it's quite simple. You can already see it standing right there. You click here on the plus icon, and right now, if we are holding this button, we can choose where we want to put the take profit on. You can also go right here and fill in right there if he will hit 70k. He needs to take the profit and will close our trade. So right now, if you scroll down and click right here on buy market, we just created an order, and if you scroll down, you will see right here at take profit standing 70k. And that means that when he will hit 70k, he will take our profit and will close our position. So this is how you can take profit on FP markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.